Alright, this is my Spanish lab here. I start with the house plan. This is La Entrada, El Closet, La Oficina, La Sala, La Cocina, and Cuarto. Next, we got the vehicle, Es un pickup. This is the Puerto Trasero, or Trasera. Back here, we got the bed, which is the Caja del Platon. And we got the Defensa right there. And on the back too, the bumper. We got the Puerta, which is door, so either one of them. And then we have the Motor, which is the engine back there. And then we have the Luis para Nebla, which is the fog light down in there. We got the Tanca de Gasoline fuel tank. Then we got the Luz de de Lantara, which is the headlights right there. And then we got the capo, which is the hood right there. And then last we got the picture of the three people. First one is Ace Caden, Caden Ace Holven, Caden Ace Redondo. We got Ace Taylor, Taylor Ace Alto, Taylor Ace Policia. And we got JJ, JJ Ace Grande, JJ Ace Ancho.